Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it the loudest, but I'm gonna sound the dorkiest, that's for sure.
Two levels of judging. Watch that. We're gonna judge it from outside now, and we'll judge you later on camera.
Ah, yeah, of course. Do that. I'm gonna have to feel this a little bit. Like just a step back instead of a step forward, isn't that the same?
Don't push very hard, because
No.
it'll push me off.
Oh, you gotta hold on.
I'm holding. You're good.
Okay.
If you end up on your back, roll over and
It's really hard not to push, eh?
you can push it over.
Okay.
Okay. Have fun.
You too. And I gotta remember to scream.
Yeah.
Need some time, sorry.
Okay, you're looking stylish and short.
3, 2, 1. Okay, it doesn't get any more real than that. Did you hear my scream? But did you hear it from there? No! I screamed like, I think I had like a really nice horror scream.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was real.